What's up? It's Tyler with Most Up Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to play Rather Be a Ghost on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. To play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with no capo. You'll just want to use your pointer and your ring finger on the E and the G strings. The pattern you'll pluck with your pointer and your thumb. Back and forth like that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So down up, down up, down up, down up, down up on each chord. So the first chord you'll do is pointer on 4 of the E string and ring finger on 5 of the G string, and you'll just play down up, down up, down up, down up, down up. Move up to 6 on the E string, 7 on the G string. Down up, down up, down up, down up, down up. Move that shape up, but you will slide your ring finger down a fret, so it'll be pointer on 8 of the E string, ring on 8 of the G string, and play that same pattern. And then you'll slide up to 11 on the E string and 12 on the G string. Instead of playing that delayed running pattern down the fretboard, we'll just keep it simple over here and we'll just play that same pattern. So all together, slower, it should sound like. 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 8, 11 and 12.